All right, guys, in this tutorial, I am going to show you how to take a basic static template and turn it into an engaging video asset that you can use across your social feeds. So video assets are great for capturing people's attention and really driving additional engagement on social media. So today we're going to be working in this pre-designed Instagram story template. It's actually one of the templates that is included in my Audrey Instagram promotional template bundle over on the shop, so make sure to check that out. So we're going to want to go ahead and customize this template a little bit and then add some animation to it to really bring it to life. The first thing I want to do is I want to add an image to this photo frame, and for purposes of this tutorial I'm just going to use the stock photos in Canva, but obviously if you have great branded photos or product photos, you're going to want to add those in here. So come over here and I think I'm going to want to use this photo. It's a good one. Okay. And really from a customization standpoint, that's really all I want to do. I don't really want to change the colors or anything because they kind of fit with the photo. So I'm going to leave those as is. But now what I want to do is I want to add some animation. So to add animation to a static template, you could do this a couple of different ways. You can animate the actual elements within the template, or you can animate the whole template itself. To animate the whole template itself, just select the background of the template and go up to animate. And you can select from a variety of animations that Canva has pre-built in their platform. So I always like using Rise. I think that's a really classy one. So we can go ahead and add that. And then I want to preview what that animation looks like. So you can see that from adding animation to this template, we now have the option to preview the template or preview the animation up here. So just come up here and click the play button and it'll play through our story template. Okay. All right. Alternatively, you can animate different elements within the template instead. So if we don't want to animate the entire template or we want to add different animations to different elements, we can absolutely do that. So I'm going to go ahead and remove the Rise animation from the template as a whole. So I'm going to go up here and I'm going to select none, and that gets rid of the animation. But I want to go ahead and animate the different elements, so it's just a matter of clicking on each element and selecting the animation that you want. So for instance, maybe I want my text to pan in, and I want this to pan in as well. But maybe I want my image to rise up, okay? I'll go ahead and do that. All right, now let's give that a whirl. Okay. We'll play it again. Okay, I think that looks really nice. All right. So we'll go ahead and close out of that. Another thing that you can do is if you have a couple different images that you want to show in the same post and you want to animate it so that the video kind of flips through the different images like a flip book, that's actually really easy to do in Canva as well. To do that, all you need to do is duplicate the page. And I'm going to go back over to my photos and type in furniture. I think I want to add this one of this table. Adjust the image here. Okay. When you duplicate the image, it should automatically duplicate your animations as well. Okay, and it did. I can tell that the Rise animation is still on the image. And then the pan animation is still on my text. Okay. So now let's give it a try now that we have 2 different frames as part of this video. Okay. All right. Pretty awesome, right? So I think it's looking really good. The only thing is that I kind of wanted to cycle through the images quicker. I think it spends a little too much time on each individual image. So to change the amount of time that it takes before it switches to the next frame, all you have to do is select the template that you want to change, come up here to this little stopwatch, and edit the timing. So I'm going to change this to 3 seconds and then hit enter so that it changes up here as well. Otherwise it won't take. And then I'm going to change this one as well. We're going to make it 3 seconds too. Hit enter. And now I'm going to go up and preview that. And I think that looks a lot better. I like that it cycles through them a little bit faster, and I could go ahead and add another one as well. So we'll just pull in this image and we'll preview that. All right, I think that is looking really great. And it literally took us less than 10 minutes to do that. And the great thing is the next time I want to create a video like this, I can reuse this template just by dragging and dropping new images into the frames and maybe changing up my text. Okay. Literally, it could just be as simple as coming in here and changing out my images. These might not be the best images to use, but they'll serve a purpose. And maybe instead of fresh finds, I say spring finds. Okay. So I'll change that on all of these. Okay. And then I'll preview it. All right, and I think that's looking really good. And again, the second one literally took me less than 30 seconds to do. So again, endless possibilities once you create one video. I mean, it's really easy to create a bunch more. And it just simplifies your content creating process for social media quite a bit. But there you have it. That's a quick and easy way to make a video asset in Canva for your social feeds. If you have any questions, as always, drop them in the comments.